Here are 5 tips for doing the dishes and tidying your kitchen when you feel overwhelmed. If you're anything like me, then you use your kitchen a lot, and your kitchen probably looks like this at least 1 to 2 times a week. And this is just what I do to help make things a little bit more manageable. Number 1 is to work in zones. When you're feeling overwhelmed, visually showing signs of progress can make a big difference to make things feel more manageable. I start with the island and clean it completely before moving to the next section. Number 2 is to tidy first and clean second. When there are dishes and random objects everywhere, focus on putting everything back where it belongs and stack all of the dishes next to the sink in categorical piles. So stack all of your large plates together, all of your small plates together, your bowls, etc. Number 3, when you're doing your dishes, load the dishwasher first and load all of those same items at the same time. This way, your brain is focused on grabbing all of the plates or all of the utensils and removing all of these items from your line of vision. And finally, at number 5 is to give your sink a nice scrub. At this point, your counters should be all clear and clean, and you can work your way to the floors if needed. So if your kitchen's looking like a disaster, don't feel bad about it. We're all human. It's normal because houses are meant to be lived in. Like and follow for more home tips.